Arif.
Enggak mau.
Arif,
Apa Bunda?
pang meserkeun beras di warung.
Oh ya Bunda. Siap.
Habiskeun nasi nanti.
Ya siap.
Ya, nuhun.
Ini Arif, si anak kampung.
Ah, si Bunda mah mending repotin pisan.
Ini Thomas, dia anak bule.
Shut up, Mom. I'm trying to listen. What is it?
Thomas, I need you to get some flowers from the store for me.
Nah, you know, I'm cookies busy.
Come on, I can't because Carmel is fat.
Okay, fine, I guess so.
Thanks, sweetie.
Bye, doggy.
What is this?
Kumaha ieu?